Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through tour of our 2015 Mercedes-Benz C63 Premium Saloon we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this car, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior, you can see our example is finished in the diamond white metallic paintwork. The vehicle comes with the optional alloys, the optional black exterior styling pack, which includes the gloss black front grille, the mirror caps, the trim on the front, the rear, the side of the vehicle, privacy glass as well. The vehicle comes with the LED daytime running lights, the LED intelligent lighting system, LED tail lights, and also a full leather interior as standard with the red upholstery throughout the seating. The vehicle comes with a leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel, access to cruise control from the left hand side. This is a premium model, which means you get the panoramic glass sunroof, the Burmester surround sound system, the keyless go start function, and plenty more features visible listed in the description below with this package. As standard, you do have DAB radio, satellite navigation, the command online system with the touchpad on the centre console, multi-zone climate control, heated front seats, and many more features again listed below. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.